Hey everyone, so we're getting ready to switch gears here. We're putting our elk archery season away. We do still have a weekend to hunt, but we're more or less focusing now on our next hunt, getting ready to leave next week. We're going to head over to Eastern Oregon and do a mule deer hunt in the Beulah unit. Super excited for it. It's been a few years since we've been mule deer hunting. It's been 6 years since we've been over to Beulah. In fact, we came across an old video from 2017, one of our first videos we did. And it was really great to look back and see that land and see the boys over there and see them so young. One reason why we do these videos, because we just love looking back at the memories and stuff and sharing them with you guys and sharing them with ourselves down the road. So I hope you enjoy this video. I thought it was posted, but I don't see it on our channel. So we're going to repost it, and I hope you enjoy. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, hit that button, get notifications, and hopefully soon we will have this year's mule deer hunt up along with our elk archery season, which has been fantastic. We haven't been so fortunate to fill all of our tags, but we have had a great time, made some great memories, had lots of action, vocals. It was really great. So I hope you guys are enjoying your season like we have, and I wish you the best of luck going forward. Again, tell your friends, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned.
Bill, getting close. Getting excited yet? Close up?
Been excited, yes. Too close.
How about you?
Yeah.
Getting a little excited yet?
Just a little. Yeah.
Just a little? How about you over there?
Excited, really fun.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
Getting close, like 2 miles before we pull in and we're off the highway at least. Getting pretty excited, pretty stoked. There it is. That's the road we turn onto.
And the battery's dead.
Chimney Creek Road. Getting close, getting pretty freaking excited. Can't wait.
6 miles.
Another 6 miles to go on our freaking 399-mile journey over here so far. A little ways.
There it is, Beulah Reservoir. Finally made it. Got up this morning at 3 o'clock. Been on the road since 4:15, and it is now 2:45. Actually, 3:45. We lost an hour with the time zone. It's been quite the day so far. Took a tire apart. Had to fix a brake. You know, we're missing a brake. It's okay. And ran over Nutria. It's now splattered all over our ice chest in the back of the trailer.
First kill of the trip.
Got some blood already. Kid's first mule deer hunt, first time being over here. Our second. Sounds like it got hit pretty hard by the winter kill, but we're gonna give it a try and see what we come up with. Wish us luck.
We got a vacation over here, away from the brush. And that thing's making a lot of noise there. trailer that all the toys came on. There's Castle Rock up there. Beautiful country. Your camp all set up. 2 trailers back in there. Side by side, all ready to go. There's our tent. Home sweet home for a week. See how this goes. You can see right here at the camp, we see deer every once in a while. Neat country. Quite a few deer up in that country at times. A neat area. Making the side by side look good. Oh yeah. God damn. temp at the base, so she cleared. He's bedded down, looking away.
Yeah. In the back?
Yes, it is. Hit him right in the backbone. 340.
Alright, the second one.
Second BDC. You missed him.
I did?
Put it on him again.
Where is he?
He's standing up, same place. If you can't, you hit him. Oh, see him running out? You hit him.
Those next trees?
He's behind those next trees over. Oh, is he coming?
Is he running back?
I don't see him.
They're running that way.
I know. We'll watch him. I think. Let me make sure. Oh, yeah. I think so.
Not yet.
No, that's a doe still bedded there. No, that's him. Let me see, Timber. He needs to turn his head so I can tell. I'm sure that's him. I just can't tell. Oh yeah, that's him right here. Okay, I got him. Come here, Timber. Come here.
Coming down that side here.
It's the same spot.
Same spot?
Same spot, just to the left. You got him? Same spot, just to the left. You see the big trees? Ooh, he just moved. Oh, no, he's laying there. Okay, you see the big trees that are to the left of where he hit him?
Yep.
You see the big tree that he was next to?
Yes.
Come down and see that next ridge towards us. You can see the limbs sticking out. You can just see him through the limbs. He's bedded down. You hit him. He's underneath the sage bush. You got him? Here,
If you got him, shoot him.
Is he bedded down?
Looks like it.
That's him.
You don't know if he's got-
So your compensator says, what power are you on?
I'm on 9.
9? Your second circle.
Second circle?
Second circle. And touch him. He's starting to move. So put it right on his shoulder and touch him. Nailed him. Or maybe just a little high. Second BDC, yeah, second BDC, put it just a little lower. You went right over his back. Hurry up. There you go. Second BDC, just put it just a little lower. Oh, he's getting up. He's kind of coming behind that tree. He's getting ready to come out. See him? See him, Timber? Nailed him. Nice shot. He's coming at us. Just let him come.
Nice job, bud. Thank you.
He's still moving.
He's behind that tree. I know right where he is.
Yeah, let's just give him a second. I got the camera on him. I don't see him going anywhere. Timber nailed him that time.
I saw him hop.
Woo! Hey Tanya, all on video.
Really?
Everything.
Yes.
What do you think about that, dude?
Awesome.
Going after the first mule deer. Oh yeah, got Tanya and Matt there. Timber hit that buck. I think he hit him far back the first shot, but he smoked him the third shot, maybe even the second shot. I don't know. Heading down over. He should be right there somewhere. Just up a little ways and around. That way you're always above. Get ready. He's got to be here close. Right there. Get ready. See him? See him? Get in front of me. Right there. Go this way. You can see his body right there. See him? Good job, dude.
And he is down.
We take it and then
October
2 months
4th.
later, I'd yank it in.
Same day as me.
I'll just lift it off.
That one's dead.
Oh, there's one behind the tree too, on this side. He's right on this side of that tree.
I see. Get him, Brandon.
Oop, there he goes. Seriously called him in 5 yards. With this thing that was just found. Oh my God. Here you go, man.